Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix two-factor authentication problem solved on Facebook. Let's see how to solve or turn off. Open on Google Play Store. Search Facebook. Update Facebook app if available on Play Store. Now open on Facebook. Click on three-dot menu. Then scroll down. Click on Setting and Privacy. Tap on Setting. Tap on Account Center. Tap on Personal Details. On Password and Security. Tap on two-factor. Tap on Facebook. Click on SMS or WhatsApp. Now turn off two-factor. Click on turn off. Two-factor turn off done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.